10 incredible benefits of ginger you'll never know. Ginger is a popular spice and medicinal plant that has been used for centuries for its numerous health benefits. Ginger is known for its distinctive flavor and aroma, which come from its active compounds, including gingerol, shogal, and zingerone. These compounds are responsible for the many health benefits associated with ginger consumption. Here are some of the key benefits of ginger. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger contains potent anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions, including arthritis, heart diseases, and certain types of cancer. Regular consumption of ginger may help alleviate inflammation and contribute to overall health. Number 2. Digestive health. Ginger has long been used as a remedy for digestive issues. It can help stimulate saliva production and digestive enzymes, which aid in the digestion process. Ginger is commonly used to relieve nausea, motion sickness, morning sickness during pregnancy, and indigestion. Number 3. Nausea and vomiting. Ginger is well known for its anti-nausea effects. It can be effective in reducing nausea and vomiting caused by pregnancy, chemotherapy, and other medical conditions. Ginger works by affecting the nervous system and the digestive tract, helping to alleviate the sensation of nausea. Number 4. Pain relief. The active compounds in ginger, particularly gingerol, possess pain-relieving properties. These compounds can help reduce pain and discomfort associated with menstrual cramps, headaches, and muscle soreness. Some studies suggest that ginger may be as effective as certain over-the-counter pain relievers. Number 5. Cardiovascular health. Ginger may contribute to heart health by reducing blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It can help improve blood circulation and prevent the formation of blood clots, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Number 6. Weight management. Ginger can play a role in weight management. It helps increase feelings of fullness, which can lead to reduced calorie intake. Additionally, ginger's metabolism-boosting properties may help increase the rate at which the body burns calories. Number 7. Immune support. The immune-boosting effects of ginger are attributed to its antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help protect the body from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. By supporting the immune system, ginger can aid in preventing and fighting off infections. Number 8. Cognitive health. Some research suggests that the bioactive compounds in ginger may have neuroprotective effects, potentially benefiting cognitive function and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Number 9. Anti-cancer potential. Certain compounds in ginger, including gingerol and zingerone, have shown promise in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and promoting apoptosis, programmed cell death. While more research is needed, ginger's potential anti-cancer properties are being investigated. Number 10. Antibacterial and antifungal effects. Ginger has exhibited antibacterial and antifungal properties, which can help combat infections and maintain overall health. Ginger can be consumed in various forms, including fresh, dried, powdered, and as an oil or extract. It can be added to dishes, teas, smoothies, and even used topically for certain conditions. While ginger offers numerous health benefits, it's important to note that individual responses may vary, and excessive consumption may lead to side effects. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Thanks for watching.